Okay, so let's start. Hmm. So you see, in the paragraph, I wanna comprehend that the author of the book has emphasized on the practice of speaking English. He suggested us to practice the spoken English if we can in social media, by using the social media where we can enhance the spoken English skills, and if we can try other apps in the mobile apps, or just like uh, open talk, Duolingo, Joestock, some other apps are there. If we can use them for making our spoken English faster, then it will enhance, it will make our communication skill as a piece of cake. And we can get ecstatic, we can get accelerated while replying, while giving any presentation in this language. So we can say that we should be in the end of the in the end, I can only comprehend that someone who is really very much curious about learning English, that person should accept the terms and conditions to get a very good fluency, and then he should go bananas for making himself or herself to be a good fluent speaker. And I think that if authors, if we can understand, if we go through the process or what the authors is suggesting here, then people can speak highly of us and of our fluency, and we can get a appealing result in communication skill. So that is all about the paragraph. So did you understand what did I say? Hello, hello. Here I have used some of the vocabularies: piece of cake, enhancing, then speak highly of, then go bananas. Yes, go bananas means became mad. If you want to learn something, then you should be mad to get that one. That means you should be very much curious about getting that one, and that is called go bananas. Becoming mad. That means I got mad. That means a child. What does a child do? If he needs a car, or if he needs a toy, if she needs a chocolate, then he will be giving vigorously, telling to his parents, no, that I need that one. Otherwise, I will not eat. I will not sleep, like that. So parents are really getting bound to give that chocolate or toys to their children, isn't it? Like that, that means the child went bananas. That he needs that one, isn't it? So that is the meaning. So go bananas, curious, speak highly of, a piece of cake, ecstatic, accelerated, then enthusiastic. So many words, some 7, 8 words I have used. So try to use vocabularies. You got vocabularies? Did you got vocabularies? Okay, how many vocabularies you got? You just send me in the group so that I can understand and I can give you the next vocabularies you need. Okay, so that one you will do today, and that is the that is the meaning of the paragraph. And that, like that, you have to use how the way you are, how the much you will be using vocabularies, the more you will be getting the confidence in replying anything in English. Yeah, thank you, very good. So now it's your turn. You share your screen, and then you read it, and then you send in the group, and then you make understand to me. Yeah.